Hey everyone, Elliot here. Today we're tackling a question that's been bugging a lot of you. Are free iCloud unlock methods safe or a security nightmare? Now, while there are services out there claiming to unlock the iCloud activation lock, it's crucial to tread carefully. Some of these methods might not be the safest or most legal route to take. But don't worry, I've got some great news for you. In this video, we're diving into multiple ways to remove that pesky lock from your iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches. And the best part? These methods are not only completely legal, but also quick, safe, and free. So if you're ready to get your device back in action without any risks, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Quick heads up before we continue. I'm here to help those who own their gadgets but forgot their login details. No funny business or illegal stuff here. Let's keep it clean and stick to YouTube's rules. Awesome, let's dive back in. Talking about iCloud unlocking services, there are a few notable ones that stand out for their reliability and ease of use. One such service is UnlockHere's AI-powered unlocking web app. It's designed to make the unlocking process straightforward and user-friendly. Then there's Safe Unlocks, another great option that's gained popularity for its efficiency. Another service worth mentioning is Lock to Owner. It's specifically tailored for those tricky situations where your device is locked to a previous owner. And let's not forget about the iUnlock app, which provides a seamless unlocking experience. A friend of mine once faced this exact issue with a secondhand iPhone. After trying several methods, they found success with these services. They appreciated how these platforms guided them through the process without the need for any technical knowledge. It's important to note that while these services are highly effective, they are best used when you have legitimate ownership of the device. In the next part of our guide, we'll dive into how to use UnlockHere's AI Unlocking Assistant, which is a fantastic tool for those who prefer a more automated approach. Stay tuned for that. It's important to note that the unlock services we've discussed generally only work in first world countries. However, if you're in a location where these services aren't available, or if you choose not to use them, there's still a chance for you. Every week we offer 250 unlocks for our viewers. Here's what you need to do to be in the running. It's a simple first step. Just hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss out on any future opportunities like this. In the comments section, mention the model of your device like iPhone 8, your IMEI number, and the country you're in. By completing these steps, you're automatically entered into our weekly draw. It's a straightforward way to potentially get your device unlocked, so make sure you follow each step carefully. To start the unlocking process with UnlockHere.com, an AI assistant-powered web app, just open your browser on your phone or computer. When you arrive at the site, look out for Nifty, the AI assistant. Select Activation Lock to inform Nifty that you require an iCloud unlock. You can choose to unlock an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. To continue the unlocking process, input your IMEI or serial number. iPhones typically use an IMEI, and the same goes for some iPads and Apple Watches that have cellular capabilities. Most iPads and Apple Watches, however, use a serial number instead. To find this, press and then repress the sleep button on your device and tap the I icon at the bottom right to see your device info. You then need to enter your IMEI or serial number. After that, fill in some basic personal information to associate the order with your account. It's crucial to enter this accurately, as you'll be sent a confirmation code via email that must be verified. Once you've input your information, agree to the service terms and confirm that the device is not stolen. Remember to complete the CAPTCHA by clicking I'm not a robot before proceeding. Then hit Start Process to initiate the unlock. Check your email for a confirmation code. It might be in your spam or junk folder. Retrieve this code, enter it on UnlockHere, complete another quick step to verify you're not a robot, and then confirm your details. This will start the unlocking process smoothly. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone locked to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone. And as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it will be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked. So we wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And voila! In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to them later on. Make sure to check the terms and conditions and skip the next steps and just set it all up later on. And there you have it. It says, welcome to iPhone. Now go to settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap forget password or don't have Apple ID to create a new one. And here just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. Great, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. Removing the iCloud lock from your device can be done in two primary ways. One method is to contact Apple support directly using the original invoice of your device. The invoice is essential as it acts as proof of your purchase, confirming that you are the legitimate owner of the device. Start by visiting Apple's support website and choose how you'd like to get in touch through a phone call, chat, or email support. When you contact them, make sure to explain that you need help removing the iCloud lock and provide details from your invoice, such as purchase date and location. Another method is to reset the Apple ID on Apple's website. This is particularly useful if you've forgotten your Apple ID or password, or if the device is still linked to the previous owner's Apple ID. To do this, go to the Apple ID webpage and select Forgot Apple ID or Password. Follow the prompts provided, which will typically involve entering the email associated with the Apple ID and answering some security questions or verifying a code sent to a trusted device. After verifying your identity, you'll be able to reset the password. With the new credentials, you can then proceed to unlock your device. iCloud Unlock software can be a solution for those looking to remove the iCloud lock, but it's important to note that this method typically requires a Windows computer, which may not be available to everyone. To use iCloud Unlock software, you first need to find and download a reliable software. There are many options available, but be cautious as some may not work as expected. A key concern when downloading any software is the risk of malware. Downloading files from the internet can sometimes introduce harmful programs to your computer, compromising its security. To avoid these risks, using an online service like Unlock Here or Safe Unlocks can be a safer alternative. These services operate through a web-based platform, meaning there's no need to download anything to your computer, significantly reducing the risk of malware. Moreover, these online services are generally more user-friendly and can be accessed from any device with an internet connection, not just Windows computers. If the seller of your device is willing to help, they can easily remove the iCloud lock. This method works well if you've bought a secondhand iPhone that's still linked to the previous owner's iCloud account. Here's a simple step-by-step guide they can follow. Log into iCloud. The seller needs to go to iCloud.com and log in with their iCloud credentials, the same ones they used when they first set up the device. Once logged in, they should click on Find iPhone. This feature shows all devices connected to their iCloud account. Here, they'll find your iPhone listed. The next step is to select your iPhone and click on Erase. Doing this will reset the device, removing all the data and settings linked to the previous owner. Finally, after erasing the device, the seller should click on Remove from Account. This step disconnects your iPhone from their iCloud account. Following these steps ensures that the iPhone is no longer tied to the previous owner's account, making it ready for you to set up and use as your own. Thanks for sticking with us during this tutorial. We trust that it has effectively delivered the answers you were looking for.